Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 60 of Building the Tumbler from the Dark Knight trilogy. And I think it continues on. I've seen it in other things, I'm sure. But there we go. This is what we're building. It's quite an iconic Batmobile. Not as iconic as the 66 one, which I am also building. Find the link somewhere. I'll try and put it up in a card. I keep forgetting. But you'll find it. It'll be on the channel. When the going gets tough, the tough things, some sort of big tank thing, that's what we're going to be dealing with on there. Go over one page, then we'll see what happens next. Looking at the Bat Bible, what the Bat Bible is. Batman as a character intrigues me, but I've not read many of the comics, let alone all of them, so I don't know much about the background of all of this, but feel free to read and pause and go back and check them all out if you so desire. What we are building now, this is, two spoilers and a deflector. Yeah, this is part of the roof that we're going to be continuing to build up. Basically putting a couple of pieces onto this piece. And that's it. And then next time we've got the left ailerons. Yeah, because it's a plane on the ground. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing these bits. I think these are possibly powered. There's something about everyone's being powered, but I'm not sure yet. But let's clear this out of the way. Let's get on with the build. Okay, so we've got a nice heavy metal. I don't know exactly what part of this is, but that's what we got. We've got our vents, which we're going to add on to this piece down here, just like that. And then that bit goes on the other side down here. So we've got some SM screws for the first part. Need two of those, so that one can stay back in my spares box. Let's pick up one of these screws. Get that lined up over the little posts. Right. Get that in there. Apologies for you not being able to see too much of what I'm doing here, but neither can I. Let's see. That's that one in just a little bit. When you're putting in multiple screws, it's always worth getting them all lined up properly before you do the first one up, right? Just to make sure everything sits where it should be. So they're both in. So now I can go back and tighten them up and make sure that stays where it should be. Some sort of vents on the side there. I don't know. I thought it was. But there we go. That's what that is. We shall get that tightened. Doesn't feel particularly secure, but then again, it's not a part that's going to have any weight bearing or anything on it. So yeah, that's okay. They flex a little bit if you push them anyway. So there we go. This one is then going to go on there. That with the different CM screws. Get two of those out of there. One. Come on. Don't be shy. One more screw. There you go. Again, keep the spare in case you need it somewhere down the line. And let's try and get that lined up on there. A bit like that. Not coming off over there. That's interesting. I thought it would have escaped that much, but there you go. Get that one in there again, just in to hold it in the right place, and then get the other one in. And then go back and tighten them both up. That's at more of an angle than I thought it was going to be, so sure it's correct. It just doesn't seem quite right. all about funny angles, though, this entire Batmobile. There's very few curved pieces. It's all sharp, like stealth sort of technology. So there we have another part done, separate part, but we will be combining it at some point. I think we're building up the ailerons on this part first, and then basically do the same again on the other side before we can join them together. So for now, that is that. Another issue complete. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.